Ever wonder who the modern-day yogis are? You might be surprised to find out that they're not just the super flexible folks bending into pretzels on the beach. Nope, they are people just like you and me, from all corners of the world. In the vast landscape of yoga, there's a place for everyone. Whether you're seeking physical vitality, mental clarity, community, or healing, yoga offers a path for every individual to find their unique balance. For example, a man who picked up yoga to help manage his arthritis. These are the faces of yoga, diverse and unique, challenging the common stereotype of what a practitioner of yoga looks like. So if you thought yoga was just for the young, fit, and flexible, think again. Yoga is a journey, and it's one that's accessible to anyone, regardless of who they are or where they come from. Consider a corporate executive battling stress, find solace in the serene rhythm of his breath as he moves through his yoga practice, or a teenager in today's day and age, grappling with anxiety who discovers a sense of calm and mindfulness through yoga. And then there's the story of a woman in her 70s who turns to yoga to connect with her spiritual side and finds a new lease on life. These stories are not uncommon. They reflect the transformative power of yoga, a practice that transcends all walks of life. Yoga practitioners are about finding balance, peace, and a connection to one's inner self. Yoga has something to offer everyone, regardless of your personal goals or challenges. So what brings all these diverse individuals together in the world of yoga? In its essence, yoga practitioners are on a journey of self-discovery, a path that transcends barriers and circumstance. It is a common platform for self-improvement and wellness that appeals to people from all walks of life. From the young to the young at heart, from the fit to those seeking fitness, from the city dweller to the rural resident, yoga is universal. It doesn't judge. It simply welcomes everyone with open arms, offering a sanctuary where you can explore the depths of your own strength and serenity. This is the power of yoga. Its inclusivity, its diversity, its universal appeal. It unites the most diverse individuals under a common banner of wellness and self-improvement. In the world of yoga, everyone is welcome. That's the true face of yoga.